1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Give her a little ride. Trade places. We're going to show you a quick recap of everything you learned, a little bonus move if you want to try it later. It goes like this. We started off with a side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We showed that the leaders, instead of stepping back on 1 the way we usually do, we can cross, giving her a scrolling lead into a side pass, finishing with another side pass if you want. We also showed that you can keep her back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, putting you in closed position where you can do a closed position move, or you can send her for an outside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, outside turn. We also can turn that into a whip with an outside turn, with rides and all kinds of options. So if you really want to sauce it up, it could look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Give her a little ride, trade places, and keep on swinging. Roundup Nightclub. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Lauren.